In this video, we show you how to plan and manage your cutting jobs with JobVISION, simply, transparently, and with maximum efficiency. JobVISION can be used directly at the machine or at any workstation in your company, such as in work preparation or by the production manager. Multiple users can access the same data simultaneously without any restrictions. All cutting programs, deadlines, and comments are automatically imported from PROfirst CAM. If required, changes can be made directly in JobVISION at any time. Jobs that are running late are highlighted in color, giving you an instant overview of which cutting programs need to be prioritized to meet planned delivery dates. By adjusting priorities, the production manager can change the processing order of cutting programs at any time. Important information can be shared quickly and easily with machine operators using the comment function, and feedback can be sent just as effortlessly. JobVISION continuously monitors all scheduled cutting deadlines and compares them with the available machine capacities. Thanks to the clear color-coded display, you immediately see whether the planning is realistic or if adjustments are required. As soon as a machine operator starts a cutting program, production management sees in real time which programs are currently being processed and which have already been cut. All essential information is available directly at the machine. This includes the sheet list for optimal material planning. The complete program list, and even the storage locations of waste sheets are all updated directly into the PROfirst CAM database. A PDF of the cutting plan with parts list can be opened directly at the machine, providing all relevant information digitally, completely eliminating the need for paper in the workshop. This creates the foundation for a modern and nearly paperless production workshop. After cutting, the finished parts can be filtered according to various criteria, for example by delivery date, customer, job, or subsequent operation. A single click on a part immediately shows its position within the sheet layout. This makes locating parts significantly easier and saves valuable time during unloading. If parts need to be recut for any reason, the machine operator simply enters the corresponding quantity in JobVISION. This information is instantly forwarded to production management and simultaneously recorded in the PROfirst CAM database, ensuring that missing parts are automatically rescheduled for production. Another highlight is the integrated label printing directly at the machine. Whether part cards or individual adhesive labels, the print layout can be customized to your needs with barcodes and pictures, etc., ensuring clear identification of all manufactured parts, printed exactly when and where they are required. With PROfirst CAM and JobVISION, you increase transparency, improve communication between the office and the workshop, and maintain full control over all cutting deadlines at all times. Would you like to experience JobVISION live? Contact us. We'll be happy to show you in an online demonstration how to digitalize your production planning, reduce paper in the workshop, deliver on time, and make your workflow significantly more efficient.